You don't have to work on Wall Street to make a fortune on the stock market. Isaac Asimov has successfully traded gold, oil, and US stocks for over 14 years. He's built his career developing smart, simple methods for anyone to get rich. Isaac's last course on scalping the S&P 500 raised many questions, so we've tailored a new strategy based on trading the Dow Jones. This is one of the safest ways to build wealth. Perhaps double your investments in under 3 months. Low-frequency trading is a simple strategy. Make fewer trades at exactly the right moment. You don't need to watch the market like a hawk. You can successfully trade just a few hours a week. Fewer trades means fewer chances for making mistakes and less money lost to transaction fees and taxes. Every time you buy or sell, you give money to brokers and governments. Isaac will help you succeed in the stock market and still have time for your family, yourself, and to plan future actions. In this course, Isaac will break down his method of trading the Dow Jones on a real account, trade by trade, so you can easily replicate his success. So, are you ready to make that fortune?